Hi, I'm Sean James joining with you with the Electrovite channel, and today I'm bringing you a very special gadget that you can work a lot. Like you can do some creative project and exciting projects with this gadget. So what's this gadget is? So yeah, it's the OBO CAR. See, I think you can see OBO CAR, which is made by the Robotic Gen Academy. So I think if you tuned into my past videos, you should know what is Robotic Gen Academy. For the guys who doesn't know what is Robotic Gen Academy, it's an academy where you can learn and make friends and do a lot of creative things. It's not like a school. There are no teachers, there are no rules. There are some rules, actually no punishments and no hard works. There's only mentors that who guides you, and there are no stressful homeworks. There are assignments that you can do. So you can find about Robotic Gen Academy from their website. I'll put their link in the description and the pinned comment. And back to the video. So today I have bring the OBO CAR KIT, which is a car with the ESP32. This car is built by Robotic Gen Academy. I think you can see it. You can see here they have mentioned as OBO CAR, and underneath it there's a battery, and you get a custom made cable for it actually with their Robotic Gen colors, the blue and yellow, and it's a threaded one which won't break easily. And then you get those IR sensors, so that means you can use this robot to follow lines. And here we have a little box, actually that's my box, and here I have another ESP32. Actually you don't get two ESP32s with this OBO CAR KIT. This is a burnt one. I'll tell that story in a bit. So what are the things that you get in this OBO CAR KIT is this OLED display, this ESP32, this ultrasonic sensor, and actually this PCB which is made by the Robotic Gen Academy, and this lithium-ion battery, and this IR sensor module, and this cool looking cable. So actually, and this IR sensor, when talking to it, this IR sensor can connect over here to the OBO CAR simply. So when it's attached, it's like not cool looking actually, it's like kind of a fractal looking. Yeah, that's how I see it. You might see it in a different way. So you can like remove this IR sensor and keep it right when you don't need it. So, and you can see there are two ports over here. That's actually you can connect multiple ultrasonic sensors to control this OBO CAR. And there's this ESP32. It's ESP32. You can just quickly remove and just do the thing. And there's a 3D printed case over the OLED screen, and there's a buzzer, and there's this switch, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So actually you can remove all this stuff from this OBO CAR. That's an advantage which you get in those stuff by Robotic Gen Academy. So actually like I'm telling it's an advantage because I like to break stuff a lot. Yeah, true. So in the first day I got this OBO CAR KIT, I broke it. Yeah, that's true. I burned the ESP32 which was on this OBO CAR KIT. And I did another thing. I broke down the OLED which was in there. I think you can see it's cracked over here. so the display can't work anymore. So I dropped this OLED when trying to remove those stuff from the OBO car. Actually, that's not the fault of the OBO car, that's the fault of mine. That's they had this protection for the OBO car as well, not to break the OLED. Actually, I did it. And how I burned this ESP32. This was the old ESP32 which was in this, and I plugged it into the my laptop, and then I put the battery as well. Then battery to the wrong side actually. You can put the battery inside while plugged in. I put the battery with missing around that plus and minus marks, and yeah, I put it in the wrong side and I burned the ESP32. But actually, because of the safety system of this OBO car, I didn't burn anything. The motors and stuff, they are working actually very well, and I didn't burn the battery as well. That's because of the safety system of this OBO car. The Robotics Training Academy has fit some safety systems to this OBO car kit as well, so that you don't break it easily. So actually, when I said the Robotics Training Academy, I broke it because I my fault, and they said to bring it back to them, and they check it, and they said the ESP32 have burnt, and they give me this new ESP32. Actually, they didn't charge for it. I think maybe because I'm a student of them, like maybe I don't know, like I think they give a pretty much a kind of warranty things for this actually. Yeah, so. And actually then I can fit this ESP32 again, and this ultrasonic sensor. And now you know I broke this OLED, and I bought a new OLED actually from the market online store, and there's a problem with it. So I think you can see this 3D printed case which was made by the Robotics Training Academy specially for that OLED. The OLED I bought doesn't fit to that 3D printed case, so it's a bit big for the thing. So the Robotics Training OLED was little bit small. So the one I bought is little bit big actually. So now I have to go without the 3D printed case. So I think you should tune into my channel because I'll be bringing a solution for that. So that's it with the OBO car kit. Actually, this is a kind of an unboxing video. I'll bring a video how to set up this OBO car code actually. So that's about the OBO car kit, which is made by the Robotics Training Academy. If you need to buy this OBO car, I'll put a link in the description as well. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.